Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So thank you for joining me today, and I'm sharing the Easter Fun stamp set and coordinating dies. How cute are these images? You have, does this make me look fat? Why did the Easter egg hide? And so cute. You can either stamp one on one card, and then you can put the answer in the inside of the card. So super cute. I love these. So unique. I haven't seen anything like these ones, so I love it. So I'm going to be stamping all of my images on some white cardstock. I am embossing them today, so I am using my tool there, and I will have everything listed in the details. Also, there is a product supply bar that you can click on, and it will take you to the Kat Scrappiness store. So I'm just using some clear embossing powder, and then I'm going to be heating them up. So I wanted to use them all on my card, but I couldn't fit them all. So, and here they are colored. I did color the egg, and you'll see at the end. So you get 5 images, so it's a great size here. And so super cute. You can make mini cards. They fit really good on an A2 size card. And I haven't tried a slimline, but I wonder if I could fit all of them on a slimline. So super cute, and my bunny, here he is. And so I love that I colored the speech bubbles. You can leave them white or color them like I did. I just love the sentiments, and I love that that one on the bottom in the middle comes unattached. So again, you can put it in the inside of the card or leave it like I do, and I just put it on my card there. And so I'm trying to look at this design, and I really wanted to use this die. And so I will have to use those other images later. So this is the Cat's Meow paper pack. It's a 6x6 paper pack, and I loved this chevron print. It reminds me of Easter, and it kind of matches the egg, although I didn't use the egg, but now I kind of wish that I'll do a card with the egg on that chevron paper. So you never know. And I had so much fun making all my cards for this Easter release. Right now I'm just adding some foam tape to my shaker. This is with acetate, and I'm trying to secure it so that all my shaker bits won't fall out. And so 1/4 inch foam tape usually works great for me on these little edges. And just going all the way around, and then I do go in the middle as well to kind of separate my shaker tinsel and dots. So I will be using some pink, blue, and purple. So I think that is a fun color combination for this Easter card. And just going all the way around. I have had some shaker cards come apart, so I am being really careful and making sure that this one is perfect. And almost done here. And so there is so many embellishments in the Kat Scrappiness store, so many Easter dies. So much cuteness. I love Easter crafting. I love bunnies. I love chicks. I love all of it. So I was really excited to play with these new products. And okay, I think I got it there. And okay, now I'm using my embossing tool, make sure there's no static in there. I don't want any of my tinsel or dots to have static. And so here is sky blue shaker tinsel. I have some carnation dots. I have some aqua sky dots, and then I do have some others that I'm adding. So like this is purple shaker tinsel, and these are so fun. I love these together, and the dots make it so much fun because you will hear them shake, which I love. I wonder if the post office shakes them, because you probably can tell it's a shaker card. And so I loved separating them, even though I did use the same mixes, but you can also do like one color in each box there. So I'm just taking my backing off, and I'm going to add my purple cardstock, my rectangle there, to seal my shaker. That is the easiest way for me to make a shaker card. I have tried it the other way, where you have it laying down and then you put your shaker bits in the middle and then put your frame over, and I just think this is easier. So really cute, I love it, really fun. And now I'm going to be gluing my images, and so my bunnies first. And I just love how this funny saying is. It's so funny, and they make me laugh. And so I would totally laugh if I got this card in the mail. So I will be sending it out, I believe. And I'm using my liquid glue. I love to use liquid glue most of the time. I do go over to a tape runner every once in a while, but liquid glue is most forgiving for me, so I always use a liquid glue most of the time. And so we do get some bunnies in the yard, but they are not brown or chocolate like this one. They kind of look, well, they blend in a little bit because we live in the desert, so they kind of look like brownish, or so light brown or gray, kind of like sand color. They're really cute. We get a lot of birds too, so it's always fun seeing the bunnies and the birds run across the yard. And so I'm just going to add my chickies here. They look adorable with those bunny ears. And so you can glue it like this and then put the sentiment in the inside. I think that would be a fun little joke there for the recipient, or even for your children. You can put it, so it is a fun one. He was a little chicken. That's cute for children as well. I make my children a Easter card, so that's an idea. And then, so I'm just going to glue it right under, and so really easy. Isn't this card easy? I love how it came out. And I love all those shaker tinsel. There is a milk chocolate and dark chocolate shaker tinsel, so that would be great for those bunnies as well. And next I'm going to glue my shaker to an A2 heavyweight card base using liquid glue. And then I will shake it a few times for you and show you a close-up. And really, that finishes my card. I hope you like it. It was super fun to make. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.